Island. This is also known as Shahi Dweep Island. It is one of the most famous islands in the Andaman and Nicobar. This is one of the islands which is definitely worth visiting, and we recommend you to book at least 1 to 2 nights stays here and you won't be disappointed. If you're looking out for a budget accommodation in Neil Island, you've come to the right place. In this short video, we've provided you the best budget hotels in Neil Island with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. We recommend you to look before you book so that you can get a better idea of what kind of a hotel you want to stay in. Lakshmi Continental Resort. This is an extremely budget-friendly resort in Neil Island. The resort has a beach very close by where you can enjoy all the water sports activities like snorkeling, diving, fishing, or just lazing around at the beach itself. This resort is very popular amongst the tourists and it's also very well recommended for couples. It has an amazing in-house restaurant which provides a 24-hour room service facility. It provides Indian and Chinese cuisine and also has a variety of seafood. They have free Wi-Fi access all over the resort. All the rooms here are extremely spacious. Most of the rooms here have an outdoor seating area where you can enjoy the beautiful garden views. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they're offering. The pricing is around 1,200 depending upon the category of room that you select. If you wish to book this hotel, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Exotic Squares. This hotel is located in the heart of Neil Island, which makes it completely accessible for you to explore this beautiful touristy city. A lot of tourist spots are extremely accessible from this hotel, and also getting public transport is extremely easy. The hotel also has a private beach access where you can enjoy the beautiful sea views and also enjoy water sport activities like diving, fishing, snorkeling, and also just lazing around at the beach. If you're looking out for a hotel which is in the heart of the city, this is one of the hotels we definitely recommend, and it is also extremely pocket friendly. The hotel has an in-house restaurant. It provides a 24-hour room service facility. All the rooms here are extremely spacious and they also have an outdoor seating area where you can enjoy the beautiful garden views. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable for the services that they offer. The pricing is around 1,500 depending upon the category of room that you select. Hotel Amolia. The hotel has an in-house restaurant which provides a 24-hour room service. The hotel also has family room options available in case you're traveling with your family on a budget. All the rooms here are very spacious and they are also extremely well equipped with a separate seating area, a wardrobe, a TV, AC, and also a private bathroom with free toiletries. The pricing of the rooms here are around 1,900 rupees. If you wish to book this hotel, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Elephant and Four Wise Men Resort. This resort is a bamboo hut with a shared bathroom and good restaurant near the sea, which is covered with coconut trees. They have a beautiful beach which is at a walking distance, and you can enjoy all the beach activities like snorkeling, diving, fishing, and also just lazing around and pampering yourself at the beach. This resort provides a nearby bicycle rental services where you can rent a bike and enjoy and explore this beautiful city. There is a hammock in every cottage at this resort. They have options of rooms with a shared bathroom and also options of rooms with a private bathroom, and you can select them according to your budget. The pricing of the rooms here are around 750 rupees. If you wish to book this resort, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. If you love traveling, we are sure that our exclusive premium travel club will definitely help you out. This travel club will provide you with some special deals, amazing promos, and also some exciting giveaways. Joining the club is absolutely free, and we've also provided detailed information about how you can join this travel club at the end of the video. And by the way, please do support us by giving us a like button, and also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals and for more travel tips. Bluebird Residency. This hotel provides a beach access where you can enjoy and explore the beautiful beach area. You can totally enjoy all the water sports activities like diving, fishing, snorkeling, and also just lazing around at the beach area. This hotel has a lovely garden where you can just unwind and relax yourself. Pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. The pricing is around 700 rupees. If you wish to book this hotel, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Purnima Residency. This is a 4-star, very budget-friendly hotel in Neil Island. The hotel provides with all the basic necessary facilities for their guests. They have clean and hygienic bedrooms and also clean bathrooms. Some of the rooms here also have a private balcony where you can enjoy the beautiful city views. The hotel is also very close to the beach area where you can enjoy all the water sports activities. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. The pricing is around 800 rupees and you can select them according to your budget as well. Dream Heaven Resort. This hotel has a beautiful beach access where you can enjoy all the water sports activities and fun. The rooms here are slightly smaller than usual, but they are extremely comfortable and very well equipped with a separate seating area, a TV, a private bathroom with free toiletries, and also a wardrobe. Some of the rooms here have an outdoor seating area where you can enjoy the beautiful garden views as well. This resort provides provides just the basic facilities for their guests. The pricing of the rooms here are extremely reasonable. The pricing is around 800 rupees and you can select them according to your budget and depending upon the category of room that you select. If you wish to book this hotel, we've also attached the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. If you could get a free hotel stay, which of these hotels would you prefer? Let us know in the comment section below. We have also provided additional information about Neil Island and you can view this information right here. We wish you a safe and an exciting stay at Neil Island. See you next time. Bye bye.